It's a beautiful, sunny, hot afternoon here in Las Vegas. So, about to get ready to head out for lunch. And let's see what the day has to offer.
Are they evicting 2 or 1?
Oh, we never know. Right? They normally will just make some announcements. You didn't hug. So what's your take? You surprised?
I'm sorry.
Are you surprised she's out? Like you wanted her out.
I don't know.
Kaisha is out. Who is next? We'll find out. Oh, there's another one.
Tony, Trickety, and Neil. Good luck to all of you.
I thought they said 1. Why?
The next housemate to leave the Big Brother Niger lockdown house will be announced when I come back.
Woo!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Are we going out to Vegas?
No,
Almost feels like we're going to the Grand Canyon.
no desert.
Oh my god.
We're still in the desert.
So we're driving through the desert.
Vegas is the desert.
The hot desert.
Yep. Very hot. It is 109 degrees right now.
How do you guys survive?
Normal.
Normal?
Normal for Vegas.
That means if you're going out, you have to be going with like a full tank of water.
Yep. Stay hydrated every time. Number 1, visiting Vegas. Water, water, water.
Just water?
Yep.
No, what do they call those drinks? Like energy drinks?
You can have energy drinks.
Glucose.
Hydrated, electrolytes. Electrolytes is a must for sure. But keep yourself hydrated.
I thought the weather in DC was hot. This is hotter.
Right here. Vegas, baby.
Like even the ground itself is hot on its own. You could be able to prepare some nice fried eggs.
Right on the ground.
Ooh, no wonder everyone here is a chef. Because they learn how to cook from putting the pan on the road.
Right in front of their house.
Oh my god. Yeah. But no one is taking any clothes off. Hello, sir. Where are you? Where is your mask?
Oh, that's in my pocket. Where we go? Where do you go?
Let's wait for them to enter together. Well.
So, we naturally are chameleons.
Yeah. Hey.
We've been around the whole world. We've reached everybody.
Over your nose and mouth.
It's on YouTube.
Hey!
It's
video, right?
Stop gossiping, stop gossiping.
Gossiping. Oh, this a video?
Mm-hmm.
This OnlyFans?
No, sorry. It's YouTube. Hello. 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 Hello.
I was like, what happening?
Wait.
I have that.
We're gonna do the blending? Are we doing bottomless or single?
Bottomless.
Sorry, what are you having? Hello, sir. What are you having?
It's, I don't know what I'm having.
I'll put the sandwich. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
That's a lot of bacon.
That's a lot of bacon.
Yeah, you know what, I would.
Same way?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you, bro.
You mind if I get a stick? You think your calories? I mean, right.
Wow.
Okay, you like was real professional photographer. Are you sure he doesn't have a eating skills that will look good? Look at him sliding the seat like he's doing a drone shot.
Call me. Like, so I do feel like I have a good kind of mommy support.
Man, my mother loved him. She goes, I prefer the old Al when he had a little meat on him. Shit.